everyone. I'm Markus Bornheim from Avaya, and I'm here at ETSI Plugtest together with my colleagues from Aculab with
David Grant
and Chris Litsoris.
So David and Chris, what is your interest in Plugtest and in next generation 112? What are you here for?
We're here to provide the essential bit, which is to allow multi-vendor equipment and offerings to communicate with each other.
Right.
And mainly to allow people from, no matter what product they're using, or telephone, mobile phone, landline, whatever device they have, to communicate all the way through to a PSAP, such as your PSAP offering.
In terms of the next generation 112 emergency calling chain, you're the entry point into this?
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay, got it.
Connection from the legacy networks into the IT world of the next generation network.
Well, which will be essential, because we can't assume that there is an overnight swap in, swap out between today's networks, which is legacy networks, let's name it like this, and a future environment. So this is a journey which probably takes a couple of years. What did you test over the last couple of days?
So our testing was, we were generating the calls in from the legacy network, and then obviously through the other interworking functions down to your PSAP. So
yes.
Without us in the picture, sort of like Chris said, calls from the legacy interfaces wouldn't be able to get through to the.
Understand. And well, when we talk about next generation 112, we talk about location attached to the call, location information immediately attached to the call. Is that something that is happening at your interface point already, or is this further down the line?
That's happening at the next.
At the next hop then,
The next hop. So we're providing the PIF, the protocol interworking function.
Yes.
And then the next hop, the NIF, that will do the lookup to add the location information into the SIP messaging that then goes on through the network.
Right. So I think the question which is interesting for everyone is, do you see in the places where you're going already conversations about adopting this and really seeing countries move into the direction of next generation 112 or SIP routed emergency calling? Is there something tangible out there for you?
Definitely. I mean, we've seen that in the US, for example. And we'll just see that as countries come together, like the European Union, for example, everyone's looking for a single number that they can get through to public safety access point, such as yours.
So great having you here. You're very important for connecting the today's networks into the next generation world, and I think this journey will take some time until everything is on the next generation world. So quite an interesting business probably in the upcoming years from now.
Definitely.
Certainly very interesting. I mean, we've seen a lot of business, like Chris said, within the US.
Yes.
And as Europe sort of continues going forward, then I'm sure we'll be seeing a lot of work there as well.
Okay, wonderful. David, Chris, great having you here, and looking forward to seeing you at the next ETSI or ENA opportunity.
Pleasure will be ours. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Okay, thanks.
Cheers.
Thanks.